How to hide taskbar when full screen on Windows 10. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. If your taskbar is showing up, simply right-click on taskbar and then go to Task Manager. In this list, search for Windows Explorer. After you find Windows Explorer, right-click on it and restart Windows Explorer. After you restart it, simply delete all the tabs. After deleting all the tabs, right-click on your display and then refresh it. After refreshing it, you're good to go. When you open any tab, your taskbar will be hidden. And that's how you hide taskbar when full screen on Windows 10. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.